In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customer support in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to get help fast, what to write to describe your issue, and how to make the most of the built-in assistance without wasting time. First, look to the very top of Excel at the ribbon. Along the row of tabs like Home, Insert, and Data, you'll find the Help tab toward the right side. Click the Help tab. This area is designed specifically to guide you when something isn't working as expected, or when you want to learn how to do something new. Opening this tab centralizes learning tools, troubleshooting content, and ways to reach the support team, so you don't have to search all over the interface. Next, in the Help tab, click Contact Support. This opens the support pane inside Excel. Depending on your subscription and region, you might see it labeled as Contact Support or Get Help, but it serves the same purpose, connecting you to answers and, when available, a support agent. If you're asked to sign in, use the account tied to your Microsoft 365 subscription, so the system can route you correctly. Note that availability of live support options can vary based on your plan and organizational settings, but the pane always tries to get you to relevant, official guidance. Now type any topic into the text box to describe what you need help with. Be clear and specific. Instead of writing formula issue, try XLOOKUP returns nahbard NA when value exists, or pivot table won't refresh from external data source. Include brief details like your platform, such as Windows or Mac, and any error message wording. As you type, Excel suggests help articles and, when applicable, offers ways to chat or request a callback. Skim the suggested result titles to find the closest match. They're curated to common scenarios and often include step-by-step fixes, screenshots, and best practices. If the pane offers to attach a screenshot or include diagnostic info, share only what you're comfortable with and avoid sensitive data from your workbook. Keeping Excel updated also helps, since many issues are resolved by the latest fixes. That's it. Click the Help tab, choose Contact Support, and type your topic. Use precise language, mention error codes, and select the closest suggested result to get answers faster. With these built-in tools, you're never more than a few clicks away from learning a feature or resolving a problem right inside Excel. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!